Hello, my name is Robert Tucker. I'm your presenter for this course, An Introduction to PHP Scripting with MySQL. This is a practical, pragmatic, and non-theoretical course which aims to give you a real-life exposure to PHP scripting, drawing upon a MySQL database. We set out to build a web application and to use appropriate resources as we need them. We don't try to copy the plethora of rich descriptive resources which are available for free, and we don't attempt to duplicate rigorous technical definitions that are freely available with a simple web search. But we will show you where many of these can be found. This training program allows you to engage a fairly complete development process. We start by installing cross-platform server and development software and then use it to develop a web application. This web application is used as the medium to illustrate structure and syntax for PHP and MySQL constructs in an order that makes sense in the development process rather than the order that might be used in a textbook. For my part, I'm a developer and a development project manager with over 30 years experience in this industry, developing, teaching, training, and managing. About 10 years ago, I left the rat race of management to focus on what I enjoy most, developing commercial-grade web applications. I've now been doing that successfully with a group of self-employed experts for over a decade. I do hope you not only enjoy this course, but also acquire some of the excitement that I have over the power and elegance of the PHP MySQL web development platform. So let's get started.